next step would be to drill a guide hole all the way through the cam follower, through the shaft and the other side of the cam follower, through the guide hole that is already provided. The next step is to drive a 3/8 roll pin all the way through the cam follower till even with the other side. Pushing down on the cam follower as far as possible into the center of the V-cam, tighten the set screws. There's one located on both sides of the door panel. Place something under your door to leverage it up and place a 2x4 approximately 18 inches in length under the door. Check center of panel, line it up with the center of the door jamb. Now you would swing the door and check that the clearances are proper and remove the 2x4 that was under the door panel.